Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get multiple virtual workspace in Windows 10 computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first let me make you clear that virtual workspace means that here you can see my desktop home screen. So you can create multiple virtual desktop screen, that is you can multiply it many times and you can work virtually also. If you have multiple screens attached with one CPU, then it will be much helpful for you, but still if you want to use also in a single computer or a single screen also, it's possible. So for this, what you need to do on your computer keyboard, you need to press Win and Tab button, press together. So you will see a timeline, this one. So and above on the left top corner you can see a new desktop. Just left click on it. So here you can see a new desktop has been created. You can create multiple times. See, you can create as much as you want. So this will be your virtual. The desktop one will be the real desktop screen, but still you can work and use those virtual workspace for your respective working places. So if I select a desktop 2, say I want to launch and work some other application here. Say I'm opening a control panel. So in the workspace, that is the desktop 2, which you can call the workspace, virtual workspace 2, this control panel application is being opened. So let us find out if this application is open in desktop 1 or in other desktop 3 or 4, it's visible or not. So let's press Win and Tab again. So we'll just move back to the desktop 1. So you can see here control panel is not available. As you can see, I have not launched here a control panel. So using this method you can just get multiple virtual workspace for your respective Windows computer, and you can use different applications to work in different virtual workspace area. So this will be very useful if you do a multitask every day and you want to work various softwares, then you can use this multiple virtual workspace in any of your Windows 10 computers. So if you never known about how to turn on or get multiple virtual workspace in Windows 10 computer, then try this process. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.